Strong Arm gas charge lift supports and ProGlide tailgate assist offer best-in-class coverage for everywhere your customer's vehicle needs a lift.
Here's one more item to add to your inspection routine or checklist that will take zero time but add an often missed opportunity for service. Checking the spare tire as part of a vehicle inspection is a critical step. If you are opening the trunk, the hatch, or the lift gate, check the condition of lift struts. Lift struts should make opening easy and support the hatch or lid while you are setting the spare tire air pressure. If you find yourself balancing the lift gate on your head or your shoulder, or if it slams shut, we should probably recommend replacing those support struts to the customer. A lift gate strut is a gas spring. Nitrogen gas and oil are pressurized within the body of the lift support. As the hood is lifted, the gas and oil transfer energy and push the lift support into the open position, and can even hold the panel upright. Over time, the seals can degrade, causing oil and/or gas to escape around the seal of the shaft. This weakens the strut and prevents it from supporting the hood at full extension. According to a leading hood and hatch manufacturer, a lift support can lose 3 to 5% of its power annually. Performance loss will definitely start to be noticeable after 4 to 5 years of service, with complete failure often occurring within the 8 to 12 year range, depending on climate and frequency of use. If you notice issues with the support struts, chances are already that your customer knows. They may have forgotten. Offering them a no-hassle solution for replacement will help you to gain even more trust.